These are the things that make up what bachata is. Step means full weight transfer. Tap means no weight transfer. Okay? So, to practice our steps, first we went to be bachata people. I have one hip below the other, not one hip above the other. That's the opposite. One hip below the other. As I take a step, my chest is above my toes. How do I know if I took a step? If I release my right foot, my head didn't move. If I was here thinking I took a step, when I release my right foot, my body would naturally balance itself. So we always have to be fully here. Take our next step. This one is tricky. We have to travel backwards, right? So bachata does feel like forward, backwards. Okay? So if you feel that, that's good. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and then tap. Tap means no weight transfer. This can be tap, this can be tap, this can be tap, this can be tap. Okay? Those are all tap. Yeah? Some of them are more appropriate than others. Other side. We go. Step, 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 tap. This is the weight transfer of bachata, but it's not the full basic. There's also the body movement of bachata. We ride a horse. Yeehaw. Yeah? We practice counter hips today. So I go chest, left, hip, right. That's 1. Other side. 2 and 3. We can hold here. Yeah? Other side. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Once you're comfortable with this, you can syncopate. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. When you syncopate, it is not all the way right, all the way left, all the way right, all the way left. It's all the way right, all the way left, half, and go. It's just half. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yeah? 5, 6, half, and full. Okay? Practice this way. We use that with our break forward in our partner work. When you start social dancing, I highly recommend that you reduce the stress by not locking in with your partner. This is stressful in the body, so your mind will be stressed. Relax the arm. Speak 2 sentences to your partner. Not 1. 1 is throwaway. 2. Hello, my name is Giovanni.
Hello, my name is Tatiana.
What did you eat for lunch today?
I don't remember. What about you?
I don't remember either.
What's done?
We're suddenly going to have a better dance. I will pay you money, and I'll tell you, if you don't do this, first when you do it, the dance will be better. Because suddenly there's another person here instead of you feeling judged. Okay? I don't square up. I slightly turn away because I don't want to demand attention if I'm not going to do anything yet. I'm just going to dance first.
And follows, we match in this. First, it will be with a frame, but if you visually see your leaders opening his shoulders, you do the same. And relax your hand. Your wrist goes down.
Okay, now we go break forward. Forward, together, open. I like to put my thumb inside sometimes. I know I did this. This is good. Sometimes I do this. Yeah? Forward and step. This is just switching. This should feel like a vibe, you know? It shouldn't feel like there's no purpose to this. Yeah? It's bam, bam, tukutukuta, and bam, bam, tukutukuta. And then we would pause here. I would prepare my hip, and then we do hip, hip, hooray. Hip, 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 hooray. On hooray, I look at my partner using the frame. You saw? We were here. Hip, 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 hooray. And now, basic step is not left. It is down to, that will look cool. It will look cool. It will look natural. If you do this straight and hip, hip, hooray, and boom, it will not look like bachata. Okay? This is what we're practicing in these 4 weeks. Okay? The whole music. Yeah?